Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next topic is mode from group frequency distribution. In the previous standard we learned about the mode. Now let us see. Mode, the score repeating maximum number of times in a data is called the mode of the data. To find the mode, the classes must be continuous in mode from group frequency distribution. Now the formula is mode is equal to L plus inside the bracket F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Now here L is lower class limit of the model class. Now the model class is the class having the maximum frequency is called model class. F1 frequency of the model class, F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class, F2 frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and H class interval of the model class, means difference between the upper class limit and lower class limit of the model class is the value of H. Now look at practice set 6.3. First question is the following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the content of fat in the milk measured by a lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. Now look at here. Content of fat in percentage are given and milk collected in liter. Now first look at the class. Here classes are 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. Now classes are continuous here. Now let us see the maximum frequency. Now here maximum frequency is 80 and maximum frequency 80 is in the class 4 to 5. Now 4 to 5 is model class. Write on here. Write down solution here. The maximum frequency means 80 is in the class 4 to 5. Therefore, the model class is 4 to 5. Now look at here. 4 to 5 is model class. Now 4 is the lower limit of the model class, means it is the value of L, and the frequency of model class is 80. It is the value of F1, and the frequency of class preceding the model class is 70. It is the value of F0, and the frequency of the class succeeding the model class is 60. It is the value of F2, and here H is the class interval of the model class. Now here 5 minus 4 we get 1. Therefore value of H is equal to 1. Write down all the values. Here the value of L is equal to 4, F1 is equal to 80, F0 is equal to 70, F2 is equal to 60, and H, which is equal to 5 minus 4 means 1. Now apply the formula here. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply by h. Now substituting all the values here, we get now the value of L is equal to 4 plus f1 80 minus f0 70 upon 2f1 2 into 80 minus f0 70 minus f2 means 60 multiply by h. Therefore multiply by 1. Value of h is 1 here. 4 plus 80 minus 70 we get 10 minus 2 into 80 160. Now both number are negative here. Therefore add these two numbers 70 plus 60 we get 130 with negative sign minus 130 into 1. 4 plus 10 upon now 160 minus 130 we get here 30. Now 3 ones are 3 3s are. Therefore 4 plus 1 upon 3. Now we get here 4 plus. Now 1 is dividing by 3 we get 0.333 and so on. Now 4 plus, after decimal only 2 digits are written. Now look at the third digit, it is less than 5. Therefore rounded value of this number is 0.33. Now add these two numbers, we get 4.33. It is the value of mode in percentage. Now our aim is to find the mode of fat content. Therefore write down the answer here. The mode of fat content is 4.33%. Now look at the next question. Electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode for use of electricity. Now look at here. Use of electricity in units are given and number of families. Now first look at carefully class intervals. Now here classes are 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and so on. Now classes are continuous here. Then look at the frequency. Now here maximum frequency is 100. Therefore 60 to 80 is model class. Now write down here. The maximum frequency is the maximum frequency 100 is in the class 60 to 80. Therefore the model class is 60 to 80. Now from the table 60 is lower limit of the model class, means it is the value of L. Now the frequency of model class is 100, it is the value of F1. 70 is the frequency of class preceding the model class, means it is the value of F0. Now 80 is the frequency of class succeeding the model class, means it is the value of F2. And H is class intervals, means 80 minus 60 20. Therefore the value of H is equal to 20 here. Now write down all the values here. L is equal to 60, F1 is equal to 100, F0 is equal to 70, F2 is equal to 80, and h is equal to 80 minus 60, which is equal to 20. Now apply the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply by H. Now substituting all the values, we get here 60 plus inside the bracket F1 100 minus 70 upon 2 into 100 minus 70 minus 80 multiply by 20. Therefore 60 plus, now solid, 100 minus 70 we get 30 upon 2 into 100 200. Now both number are negative, add these two numbers, we get 150 with negative sign into 20. Therefore 60 plus 30 upon 200 minus 150 we get here 50 into 20. 1 0 1 0 cancel. Now cancel it again. 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. Now we get here 6 into 2 12. Now 60 plus 12 we get 72. It is the value of mode. Now our aim is to find the mode for use of electricity. Therefore write down the answer here. The mode for the use of electricity is (72 units). Now look at the third question. Group frequency distribution of supply of milk to hotels and the number of hotels is given in the following table. Find the mode of the supply of milk. Now look at here. Milk in liters are given and number of hotels are given. Now first look at the class intervals. Here classes are 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11 and 11 to 13. Now classes are continuous here. Next find out the maximum frequency. Now here maximum frequency is 35. Therefore 9 to 11 it is the model class. Now write down here. The maximum frequency is means 35. The maximum frequency 35 is in the class 9 to 11. Therefore, the model class is (9 to 11). Now look at the table here. 9 is the lower limit of the model class, means it is the value of L. 35 is the frequency of model class, it is the value of F1. The frequency of the class preceding the model class is 20, it is the value of F0. And 18 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, it is the value of F2. And H is class intervals of the model class. 11 minus 9 we get 2. Therefore the value of H is equal to 2. Now write down all the values here. L is equal to 9. F1 is equal to 35. F0 is equal to 20. F2 is equal to 18. And H, which is equal to 11 minus 9 means 2. Now write down the formula here. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply by H. Now substituting all the values we get here. L means 9 plus F1 minus F0 35 minus 20 upon 2 into 35 minus 20 minus F2 is 18 into H. 9 plus 35 minus 20 we get 15 upon 2 into 35 70 minus, now both numbers are negative here, add these two numbers we get 38 into H. Therefore 9 plus 15 upon 70 minus 38 we get here 32 into H. Now the value of H is 2. Cancel it. 2 ones are 2 6. Now we get here 9 plus 15 upon 16. Therefore the value is 2. Here also value is 2. Now 15 upon 16. Solve it. 0 0. 16 nines are 144. We get here 6 0. Then 16 threes are 48. Minus we get 12 0. 15 sevens are 112. Now we get here 8 and 0. Then 16 fives are 18. Write down here 9 plus 0.9375. Now look at here. Generally after decimal there are 2 digits. Now look at third one. Now here it is greater than 5. Therefore simply 1 is adding. Therefore we get 9 plus 0.94. Now final answer, mod is equal to 9.94. Now it is in liters. Now write down the answer. Our aim is to find the mode of the supply of milk. Therefore the mode of the supply of milk is 9.94 liters. Now the next question is, the following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treating in hospital in a week. Find the mode of ages of the patients. Now look at here, age in years and number of patients are given. Now look at the table. First one is less than 5, next 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. Now in the table the classes are not continuous. Therefore first making the class continuous. Now the first class is less than 5. Now less than 5 is means we can write here 0 to 4. Draw a table. First is class, second one is continuous class, next one is frequency. Now the class is age in years and the frequency is number of patients. Number of patients. Now the first class is less than 5. we can write here 0 to 4 because the edge cannot be negative. Frequency is 38. Next class is 5 to 9. Frequency is 32. Next one is 10 to 14. Frequency is 50. Next 15 to 90. Frequency is 36. Next 20 to 24. Frequency 24. The last one is 25 to 29. Frequency is 20 here. Subtract 0.5 in lower limit. We get here minus 0.5. We cannot taken here minus because the edge cannot be negative. Therefore, write down here first one is 0 to. Now add 0.5 here, we get 4.5. Now next subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. We get here 4.5 to 9.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. We get 9.5 to 14.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. We get 14.5 to 19.5. Now next subtract 0.5. We get 19.5 and add 0.5. We get 24.5. Next subtract 0.5, 24.5 and add 0.5, 29.5. Now after making the classes continuous, look at the maximum frequency. Now here maximum frequency is 50. Therefore model class is 9.5 to 14.5. Now write down here. The maximum frequency is 50 is in the class. Of course, it is taken from the continuous class, means 9.5 to 14.5. Therefore, the model class is 9.5 to 14.5. Now, from the table, 9.5 is lower limit of the model class, means it is the value of L. Frequency of model class is 50. Now it is the value of F1. Now frequency of the class preceding the model class is 32. It is the value of F0. And frequency of the class succeeding the model class is 36. Therefore it is the value of F2. Now H is class intervals of model class, means 14.5 minus 9.5. We get here 5. Therefore the value of H is equal to 5. Write down here all the values from the table. Now here L is equal to 9.5, F1 is equal to 50, F0 is equal to 32, F2 is equal to 36, and value of H is equal to 14.5 minus 9.5, which is equal to 5. Write down here. Now apply the formula here. Mod is equal to, write down the formula. Now substituting all the values here, we get 9.5 plus F1 means 50 minus F0 32 upon 2 into 50 minus 32 minus F2 is 36 into H. Now the value of H is 5. Now solve 9.5 plus 50 minus 32, we get here 18 upon 2 into 50, 100. Now both numbers are negative. Add these two numbers, 32 plus 36. We get here minus 68 into 5. Therefore 9.5 plus 18 upon 32 into 5. Now cancel it. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 6 are. We get here 9.5 plus 9 into 5 45 upon 16. Therefore now dividing the number 45 by 16. Look at here, 16 2s are 32. We get here 13. Now 0, point and 0. Now 16 8s are 128. 2 0. 16 1s are 16. 4 0. Then 16 2s are 32. We get here 80. Then 16 5s are 80. Now we get here 9.5 plus 2.8125. Generally after decimal there are 2 digits. Now look at third one. It is less than 5. Therefore 9.5 plus, it can be written as 2.81. Now add these two numbers. We get mod is equal to 9.5 plus 2.81. Now here 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, carry 1, 10 plus 2, 12. We get here 12.31. Now our aim is to find the mode of ages of the patients. Therefore write down here the mode of the ages of the patient is 12.31 years. Allah Hafiz.